Hello mga lods. May parcel akong dumating mga lods. Symbol ko lang.
No way!
Ito mga to. Yeah. Ito mga lods, nakuha ko na to eh. Na-symbol ko na yun eh. Nilagay ko na yung paa.
Excellent!
Tapos ito yung mga gamit.
You're the best!
Ayan.
That's exciting.
Ayan nyo. Symbol ko lang ito mga lods.
Okay.
Symbol ko.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go!
Just had the best meal of my life. Can't wait to come back. I'm gonna write the soundtrack. Just had the best meal of my life. No room to complain. I pop out the champagne. So delicious, I could cry. Every bite so tasty, it makes you feel alive. Sweet and salty, sour spicy, warms the heart, fills you up, so hard to describe. Just had the best meal of my life. Can't wait to come back. I'm gonna write the soundtrack. Just had the best meal of my life. No room to complain. I pop out the champagne. You just need to pick me up next time you're feeling down. When I see them wrap it up, it's the best damn place in town. It takes you on a journey when you're eating a delicious meal. It brings people together, 5 stars with a golden seal. Just had the best meal of my life. Can't wait to come back. I'm gonna write the soundtrack. Just had the best meal of my life. No room to complain. I pop out the champagne. So good. So amazing, tastes so nice. Every time it gets just better with every bite. In the morning or in the evening, grateful for the food we eat, flavorful delight. Just had the best meal of my life. Can't wait to come back. I'm gonna write the soundtrack. Just had the best meal of my life. No room to complain. I pop out the champagne. So good. Pop out the champagne. No need to complain. The best meal of my life.
Thanks for watching.